This is part of the problem. This could have been what my sister looked at when she logged in or saw in a brochure the choices that she could pick from in her 401k. I share this because as an investment advisor now of 22 years, I can't tell you what half the crap on that menu is. What in the heck is VDOT? Sadly, this is a fun lineup actually from our friends at American Century here in town. Okay, you might recognize some of those names up there. This is being put in front of people in America today, something like this, and they're said, here, go manage your own money. What is the difference between like prime money market, premium money market? I see zero coupon on there. Probably wouldn't invest in anything that said zero on it, would you? This is failing people today.